Hi, this is Bill Stark, and welcome to LeaderGov's weekly leadership lessons. Today's leadership lesson is on setting outcomes, and it's part of the Lead with Inspiration Essential. In this leadership lesson, we will share about the role of outcomes in the goal-setting process and help you know how to set outcomes for all of your goals. Outcomes help you determine the why you want to reach your goals. That's what outcomes do for us. They give us a way to measure and consider the effect of meeting the goals that we set out to accomplish. As a reminder, goals provide clarity around a major idea you want to implement. Objectives, on the other hand, are the steps you'll take to reach the goal. But why do you want to reach the goal in the first place? What do you hope to be different after you reach the goal? This is where outcomes come into the picture. Every goal you set should have a desired outcome. In our goal-setting lesson, we talked about an example goal to reduce turnover by 10%. But why do you want to reduce turnover by 10%? What's the effect or benefit? Perhaps it's to create a more stable workplace, improve morale, or reduce hiring costs. So it's very important to set clear outcomes that you want even before you set your goals and objectives. For instance, here are some local government outcomes that may spark you to create your own outcomes for your own city or county or department. So here we go. For instance, we train our employees, that's a goal, in order to improve morale. That's the outcome. We invest in our building infrastructure, goals, in order to have a healthy work environment. That's outcome. We're building this park. That's a big goal in order to enhance citizen value and foster healthy living. That's the outcome. We address potholes in order to reduce car accidents. We invest in our water treatment systems in order to foster healthy living. That's the outcome. And we achieve 100% compliance to our zoning ordinances. That's the goal, in order to have an attractive community that draws new residents. That's the outcome. One of the main benefits of outcomes is that they give your goals a sense of connection to something bigger. And it allows your teams who are working on your goals and projects to see how their work aligns to and aids in helping the overall community and strategic plan. Another benefit of outcomes is that you can begin to measure the effect of your goal. If building a new park was the goal and creating a healthier community was the outcome, maybe you can start counting cars in the parking lots at parks, or put in a system to measure pedestrian traffic on all of your trails as a way to measure the outcome. At LeaderGov, we always want to encourage you to implement and put to use the ideas we share. For you as a leader, we encourage you to think about this. Write down your current goals and then document what the intended difference is that you're seeking after you achieve your goal, documenting the outcome. Make a list of 3 or 4 outcomes you want for your city, county, or department. You can almost think of outcomes as strategic results over the next 12 or 18 months. Test your knowledge of outcomes by filling in the form in your resource guide to see if you can tell the difference between goals and outcomes. And we've got some other information in your resource guide as well. As far as your team is concerned, we encourage you to engage them in this process by asking them to help you set the outcomes you want for your department, your city, or your county. See what ideas they have for making a difference in your work. And just ask them, if we reach all of our goals this year, what do we want to be different? What's the effect? What's the outcome? We hope you've enjoyed this week's lesson on setting outcomes. LeaderGov is here to help you in your leadership development. We offer coaching services, assessments, training webinars, workshops, and strategic planning, as well as off-site retreats to help you reach your goals in your local government. Call or email us if we can help. That's it. We look forward to seeing you next week, and have a great day.